Okay, YouTube, Travel Tech 360 here. Today we're going to show you how to stream from the Mavic Air 2 directly to Facebook using Prism Software. So we're going to go through, get Prism set up on the phone, get loaded up, let you actually see how it streams into Facebook, and then I'll be back after the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's get on with the intro and then to the video. Okay guys, this is using the screen recorder on my phone so I can actually show you what we've got here. So as we open it up, we open up Prism. We've already opened Prism up and gone to settings and put in our Facebook address for our account. And you'll notice there I've got it live. So instead of what you want to do from this point is click on live, and then after that, once it's actually broadcasting through the camera on the phone right now. So as it's broadcasting there, we're going to go ahead and hit live. It's going to bring up another screen here, and we're going to turn our camera off, and then we're going to go to screencast. When we go to screencast, we're going to lose our camera right now from the software, and it's going to pick up from the drone camera. So what'll happen is it'll still show the phone screen through the software, through the Prism. There it is. And now the Prism, when I open my drone up, it's automatically going to bring the image from my DJI software to the actual cell phone, and then the Prism is recording what is on the screen of the cell phone. That's all it's doing, is recording what's there. So when the DJI software loads and comes up on the screen, it's going to record exactly what's there. So here's the screen here. We're going to connect our aircraft here. So Prism is recording. This is actually what it's sending up to Facebook right now. So it's already live on Facebook. People can already see it from there. And then from this point forward, anything that's on that screen that's coming through my DJI software is being captured by the Prism, and the Prism is streaming that video and audio both straight to Facebook. And it goes all the way through from there. After it goes up, my friend, he's flying his Zeno, so you can see some up close. You hear a lot of beeping, and that's the anti-collision sensors on it trying to let me know that I'm too close to something. Make sure when you take off in these drones, because I've seen a lot of people with DJI drones complain about flyways, make sure that you have satellite reception before you take off. Because if you don't have satellite, it can't update where your location is, and it doesn't know where to come back when it pops into the RTH, return to home function. So make sure you got like 8 to 12 satellites first, and then you can take off. So there's my friend's drone there. Yeah, now you're good. You're in the top of my screen. You see me?
Let's go up a little bit more.
Okay. You're in the bottom of my screen. I can barely see you. Now I got you good. Okay. I try to keep you in the skyline here. When you get down in the green, I can't see you.
See, that's the problem I'm having with you too.
Okay, well just go lower and you'll see me.
You see that?
Yeah.
Zeno just dances so much.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to stay away from you.
Let's go up a little bit higher.
Okay.
Hey, I'm going to pull it
Okay.
away.
I say let's fly now.
All right, go ahead. Let's turn around and see where you're going.
I'm coming back. I'm getting a little air on here, telling me a wind overload or something. Sorry, Al. How'd you go see if he was awake? Okay, YouTube. So what'd you think? That's how the Prism software works. So if you've got any questions, leave in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'll leave a link for the video recorder that you'll need for the cell phone, and also the Prism software, so you can download it. It comes in for Mac and also Android. I use it on Android. So other than that, that's the end of this video, and we'll see you on the next video.